Hello, in front of me I've got MITSUBISHI Grandis. In this video I'll show you how to enable speed limiter. To activate speed limiter, take a look in the instrument cluster menu and press mode button on the steering wheel. Speed limiter is now selected. Now press set button to activate it. Press set plus button to increase the speed limit, set minus button to decrease it. To disable it, press 0 button on the steering wheel or mode button to disable driving assist. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.